Hello, beautiful soul. In this visualization, you are going to meet the mighty Pan, the Lord of Nature, and Archangel Purlimiek, and you are going to join the Lightworkers, serving the Nature Kingdom. Now, take a deep breath and feel your whole body relaxing. Feel your beautiful golden roots connecting you to Mother Earth. Connect to Source and bring back the deep love and light of Source into your heart now. And now become aware as the love and light from Source and the beautiful love and light from Mother Earth fills your heart. And this energy spreads into your whole body. Ask Archangel Michael to place his deep blue light over you for protection. Call in the mighty unicorns and ask them to protect you with their pure, clear energy. And be aware of their light around you. Now, you become aware that it is nighttime and the huge, full golden moon is shining over the whole landscape. You become aware of your guardian angel, your unicorn, and your dragon companion at your side. Together, you find yourself in the front of an old, ancient gate. Passing through the gate, you start walking on a beautiful path leading into this ancient forest. And both sides of that path are guarded by ancient oaks. And you just know that they are the guardians of this forest. You are stopping now and greeting the guardians and asking for their blessings on your journey. And you receive their blessing. You feel it deeply into your heart and your solar plexus chakra. It feels like a deep love and connection with the whole nature. The golden moon above empowers even more this beautiful feeling. And you continue your journey with your sacred companions, enjoying the magical night. You become aware of a little spring in the near distance, and all your senses are alive. You are feeling joyful and excited as you know you are going to meet with the angels of nature. You arrive into a clearance, surrounded once more by old oaks. The place has the shape of a perfect circle. And as you enter the ring, you can see that beautiful, powerful white crystals are placed at the edges of it. And you are seeing how the full moon shines through them. giving in an incredible feeling to the place. You enter the circle and you are making yourself comfortable now, together with your sacred companion. And once more, you are breathing in the beauty and the magic of the place. And suddenly, as you do so, you realize that you are not alone. And as you turn, you see the mighty, beautiful Lord of Nature, Lord Pan, at your side. He is magnificent. And you know that he is a powerful nine-dimensional being overseeing the natural world and all nature spirits. Just sense and breathe in his energy and light. He smiles at you and gives you a blessing, activating at the same time codes and keys into your energy field so you can connect to nature at a much deeper level from now on. And as these codes integrate into your energy field, you feel one with all the plants, the trees, the crystals around you. And the beauty, the joy, the intensity of this is so powerful. Breathe in this sacred oneness. Breathe it in. You thank the mighty Lord of Nature, the beautiful Lord Pan, for his blessings, and he says, for thousands of years, humans lived separated from nature, ignoring their pledge of being guardians and stewards of it and of all her realms. Now it is time to return to the old, to the sacred connection and oneness, and to step up to your responsibility. Those who answer this call will be blessed in many, many ways. He also explains to you that many light workers now have the sacred soul purpose to help nature regaining her place of honor. And you can be one of them if you choose so. If you do, you can become one of the light workers and mission souls. Master Pan, Archangel Purlimiek, and the Seraphim Seraphina is closely working with. He also explains that it is a true honor and privilege to be in that team. So if you decide so, take your pledge seriously. And then this mighty being blesses you, and then he is gone, just as swiftly as he came. And then a beautiful green-blue light fills the circle. And you instantly know that the mighty Archangel Purlimiek, the Archangel of Nature himself, stands beside you. Take some time to connect to this glorious light and feel this energy. In a quiet, peaceful voice, which feels like the wind sweeping through grasses, he starts talking. And he explains to you that everything in nature has its own purpose. You learn and you understand that the green color of nature is true healing, that the yellows, blues, and reds, all colors of nature, of flowers and plants, connect us humans to the mighty archangels. He further explains that the birds have messages for us all, that all animals and insects serve Mother Earth in their own individual way. They all have a mission. Nature is ready to take its place back on the planet. The Archangel of Nature says, and you can do so and contribute to this change. In what ways would you like to help this shift happen? He asks. And you can take the time you need so that you receive the answer to this question from Archangel Purlimiek himself. Just open your heart and listen. Thank you so much for your valuable service work, says Archangel Purlimiek. I now invite you to visit the whole of nature to learn more about the natural world and her beautiful realms. You can simply express your wish to see the whole of nature in your sleep, and you will be taken there, and you will be allowed to do so as many times as you wish. Now, you thank Archangel Purlimiek from your heart for this beautiful opportunity, because you know in the whole of nature, all your questions about nature will be answered. Now feel deep love and gratitude in your heart for your guardian angel, your unicorn, and your dragon companion. And feel how this beautiful sacred meeting is further empowered by their own blessing and love. Look once more around this magical, sparkling circle. And send, if you wish so, your love to the ancient oaks around it. You can also, if you wish so, send your love to the beautiful crystals at the edges of the circle. Then you say farewell and slowly walk back to where you started, guided by your sacred companions. You go through the old gate and find yourself where you started. And now take a deep breath. Ground yourself by being aware of your beautiful golden roots. Ask once more Archangel Michael's beautiful blue cloak around you. Take a deep breath and open your eyes when you are ready. Thank you so much, beautiful soul, for taking the time and doing this visualization and for your beautiful service work to nature. Sending you lots of blessings.